God, I forget that part. So first, garlic, fresh onion. You can put the carrot, tomato, and chicken and mix together. Now can put water. Can top up later, not enough, and let it boil for until the potato and carrots is cooked and chicken, maybe half an hour. The fire not so big, reduce, yeah. And later can put the Japanese curry egg. So now we need to cover and wait until cooked. So that's the Japanese curry chicken. So now it's boiling. Carrots, potato, and chicken. So some more boil for a while before put it in the Japanese curry sauce. Okay. Cover again. Let it boil for another 10 minutes. Now the potato and carrots is already cooked. So I'm going to put in the Japanese curry sauce. It looks like this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I think not enough, so must pour another one. So yeah, another 1 cube. And mix together the mix. Like that. Wait until the curry sauce in there. The fire. Press a bit. And be careful the potato wood. Purple. So now this is a little